Hi, welcome back to MATLAB. In this video, I will explain to you the most important three methods of factoring, or in other words, decomposition into factors, in order to find the common factor. But before that, hit the subscribe button in the video corner for more math tips and tricks. Let's take the first method of decompositions, which is the common factor method. This means that in here we have the following formulas: AB plus AC equals with A multiplied with B plus C. AB minus AC equals with A multiplied with B minus C. For example, we have 2 multiplied with 3x plus 5 minus 3x multiplied with 3x plus 5 plus 6y multiplied with 3x plus 5. This one equals 2. I observe in here that 3x plus 5 is a common number, so I'm going to factorize it. So we have 3x plus 5 multiplied with the rest of the number, 2 minus 3x plus 6y. This is the first method. The second method is the method that uses short calculations formulas. What are those formulas? We have in here a to the power of 2 plus 2 multiplied with a multiplied with b plus b to the power of 2 equals with a plus b to the power of 2. As I have written this formula as restriction like the square of a sum. Now the second formula is the same, but this time it has minus sign. Plus b to the power of 2 equals with a minus b to the power of 2. This is written as restrictions of square of a difference. The third formula is a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 equals with a minus b multiplied with a plus b. This formula is written as differences of square. Let's take an example in order to understand better. 9 to the power of x to the power of 2 plus 12x plus 4 equals with 3x to the power of 2 plus 12x plus 4. I will going to rewrite him as 2 to the power of 2. This one equals with 3x plus 2, everything to the power of 2. The second example, I have x to the power of 2 minus 81. I know that 81 is basically 9 multiplied with 9. So I'm going to rewrite this as x minus 9 multiplied with x plus 9. Now I have used the last formula. Another example, x to the power of 2 minus 6x plus 9 equals with x minus 3 to the power of 2. I have used the second formula. Now let's see the third method of decomposition, which is terms grouping. How we can group terms in order to find more quickly the results. This means that we have in here two formulas. X to the power of 2 plus a plus b multiply with x plus ab equals with x plus a multiply with x plus b. Yes? And the second formula is basically the same, or only that this time it has the minus sign. Yes? And I'm going to have in here x minus a multiplied with x minus b. So these are my two formula of terms grouping. Let's take an example in order to understand better. X to the power of 2 minus 5x plus 6 equals with x to the power of 2. I'm going to rewrite 5 as minus 2x minus 3x plus 6, yes, equals with x multiplied with x minus 2 minus 3 multiplied with x minus 2, which is equals with x minus 2 multiplied with x minus 3. I have used the second formula. That's it for today. Hit the subscribe button if you understood these types of factoring, and see you on the next video. Thank you.